Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this word, 就. This is an adverb. It is used when something happens very early. For example, 他6点就起床了. He gets up at 6 o'clock. 起床 means get up. He gets up at 6 o'clock is 他6点起床. Getting up at 6 o'clock seems pretty early, so we can say 他6点就起床了. Okay, let's see one more example. I get off work at 4 o'clock is 我4点下班. Getting off work at 4 o'clock is very early, so we can say 我4点就下班了. 下班 means get off duty, get off work. Now, please try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. How to say she went to bed at 8 o'clock with this word 就. We say 她8点就睡觉了. 睡觉 means go to bed, sleep. Now let's look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? He went to work at 7 o'clock. How to say that with the character 就? We will see the answer in the next video. Now let's see the answer to the question of our last class. If you don't understand, ask your colleague. Is 如果你不懂，就问问你的同事。Are you right? See you!